Imagine this. You wake up one morning, stumble into the bathroom, glance in the mirror and, wait a second, is that your hair looking thicker? Your skin glowing like you just had a $1,000 facial? And your lashes? Are they actually longer? That was exactly what happened to Amelia. Just a few months ago she was battling hair thinning, dry skin, and lips so chapped they could start a fire. She tried everything, expensive serums, luxury creams, even those ridiculous DIY hacks that involve rubbing onion juice on your head. Spoiler alert, that one made her smell like a walking burger joint. But then, she discovered the best-kept beauty secret in history, castor oil, the same ingredient used by Cleopatra herself. And the results? Let's just say she went from desperate to dazzling in weeks. Now most people only know 1 or 2 ways to use castor oil, but today, I'm revealing 15 insane beauty hacks that can completely transform your hair, skin, and even nails without spending a fortune. Welcome to Infinite Infotainment, where we uncover the hidden gems of health, beauty, and wellness. If you love discovering natural, life-changing secrets, you're in the right place. Now let's dive into the castor oil magic. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because hack number 13, it's an absolute game changer for hair growth, and almost no one knows about it. Castor oil is a powerful natural elixir extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, native to tropical Africa and India. This thick, nutrient-rich oil has been used for over 4,000 years, dating back to ancient Egypt, where it was a staple in beauty and medicine. Cleopatra herself reportedly used castor oil to enhance her legendary beauty, applying it to her skin for a radiant glow and using it as an early form of eye makeup remover. Beyond beauty, castor oil has been a healing remedy in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and ancient Roman practices, praised for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and deeply moisturizing properties. It was even used as a lubricant for Egyptian chariots. Today, this time-tested ingredient remains one of the best-kept secrets in the beauty industry, offering natural solutions for hair growth, skin hydration, and overall wellness, without the toxic chemicals found in commercial products. Scientific studies have confirmed castor oil's powerful benefits, particularly due to its high content of ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and deeply hydrating properties. Research published in the Journal of Applied Toxicology highlights castor oil's antibacterial and antifungal effects, making it effective against skin infections, dandruff, and acne. A study in the International Journal of Trichology found that ricinoleic acid improves blood circulation to hair follicles, which may explain why castor oil has been linked to faster hair growth and reduced hair loss. Another study in the Journal of Dermatology suggests that castor oil's deep penetration and moisture retention properties help in healing wounds, dry skin, and stretch marks. Additionally, its use as a natural laxative is supported by research in the Pharmaceutical Biology Journal, which found that castor oil stimulates the intestines by activating prostaglandin receptors. With centuries of tradition backed by science, castor oil remains an invaluable natural remedy. Without any further ado, let's dive into the 15 amazing hacks that will transform your beauty in few days from now. Hack number 1. Castor oil for luscious lashes. If you've ever envied those long, fluttery lashes that seem to defy gravity, guess what? You don't need expensive serums or glue-on falsies that threaten to fly off mid-conversation. Castor oil is the ultimate natural lash booster, packed with ricinoleic acid, a powerhouse compound that stimulates growth, strengthens follicles, and prevents breakage. Applying it is easy. Just take a clean mascara wand or cotton swab, dip it into cold-pressed castor oil, and lightly brush it onto your lashes before bed. Let it soak in overnight and repeat daily. Within 3 weeks, your lashes will start looking fuller, longer, and camera-ready, no extensions needed. But here's the trick, don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. Too much, and you might wake up looking like a Disney villain with oil-dripping lashes. Stick to a light coat, stay consistent, and let your lashes do the talking. Hack number 2. Castor oil for hair growth. If your hair is shedding faster than your patience on a Monday morning, it's time to bring in the big guns, castor oil. This thick, nutrient-rich oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, which boosts blood circulation to your scalp, wakes up lazy hair follicles, and stimulates faster, stronger growth. Basically, it's like giving your hair a VIP treatment at a growth spa. To use, mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Because let's be real, castor oil alone is so thick it could double as car grease. Massage it into your scalp for 5 minutes, making sure to cover every inch. Leave it on overnight or for at least 30 minutes, then wash it out with a good shampoo. Do this twice a week, and soon enough, you'll have hair so thick and luscious, shampoo commercials might start calling you for auditions. Hack number 3. Castor oil as a natural moisturizer. If your skin is so dry it could pass as ancient parchment, it's time to bring in the big guns, castor oil. This miracle oil is deeply hydrating, thanks to its ability to lock in moisture better than your favorite overpriced lotion. Unlike commercial creams that vanish within hours, castor oil works deep into the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. Applying it is a breeze. Take a few drops, rub them between your palms, and gently pat the oil onto your face, neck, or any desert dry area. It absorbs slowly, so if you don't want to look like a glazed donut, apply sparingly. The best part, it's all natural, meaning no weird chemicals clogging your pores. Use it before bed, and by morning your skin will feel as fresh as a newborn's, minus the crying and the diaper situation. Hack number 4, soothe your skin. Dealing with itchy, irritated, or inflamed skin? Whether it's sunburn, rashes, or mystery redness, castor oil is like that one friend who always knows how to calm you down. Packed with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, it works wonders for soothing and repairing stressed-out skin. To use, apply a thin layer of castor oil directly to the affected area and let it sink in for 15 to 20 minutes. For an even deeper treatment, mix it with a little aloe vera gel, nature's equivalent of an ice bath. If you're dealing with bug bites, this stuff can stop the itch faster than you can say, "Why do mosquitoes hate me so much?" Use it regularly and soon your skin will feel calm, nourished, and back to its happy place. Hack number 5, castor oil for chapped lips. Ever had lips so dry they start cracking like a desert in July? Castor oil is here to save the day, and your pout. This deeply hydrating oil works 10 times better than store-bought lip balms, which usually wear off within an hour. All you need is 1 teaspoon of castor oil mixed with a teaspoon of honey. Apply this magic potion to your lips before bed, and by morning, your lips will be soft, smooth, and ready for action. No more awkward moments where your lips feel like sandpaper mid-conversation. Plus, unlike some lip balms that make you feel like you need to reapply every 5 minutes, castor oil provides lasting moisture, because no one has time for high-maintenance lips. Hack number 6, strengthening nails with castor oil. If your nails chip at the slightest inconvenience, castor oil is about to toughen them up. Thanks to its fatty acids and vitamin E, this oil penetrates deep into your nail bed, making them stronger, shinier, and less prone to breakage. To use, massage a few drops of castor oil into your nails and cuticles every night. It absorbs quickly, so don't worry about leaving greasy fingerprints everywhere. Within a few weeks, you'll notice your nails looking healthier, longer, and salon-worthy. No need for those expensive nail treatments that promise miracles but deliver meh. With castor oil, strong nails are just a few drops away, and unlike acrylics, they won't pop off at the worst possible moment. Hack number 7, castor oil for stretch marks. Stretch marks are like unwanted souvenirs from life changes, pregnancy, weight loss, or simply growing too fast as a teenager. While you can't erase them overnight, castor oil can fade them dramatically over time. Thanks to its high concentration of fatty acids, castor oil boosts collagen production, making skin more elastic and firm. To use, mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, a combo that hydrates and heals. Massage this blend onto stretch marks every night for a few minutes. You can also wrap the area with a warm towel for better absorption. Within a few weeks, you'll start to notice smoother, more even-toned skin. No need for expensive laser treatments or sketchy creams with mystery chemicals. Just consistency, patience, and nature doing its thing. The best part? No side effects, except softer, healthier skin. Hack number 8, the ultimate makeup remover. Removing makeup shouldn't feel like a tug of war with your own face, but most removers either strip your skin dry or leave it feeling like an oil spill disaster. Enter castor oil, the perfect balance of deep cleansing and hydration. It breaks down even waterproof makeup while nourishing your skin, leaving you with a fresh, glowing complexion. To use, apply a few drops of castor oil onto a cotton pad or your fingertips. Gently massage it over your face, focusing on stubborn areas like mascara and lipstick. Let it sit for a few seconds before wiping away. Rinse with warm water and a mild cleanser if needed. The result? Clean, moisturized skin without the harsh chemicals. Bonus, no more waking up with panda eyes from leftover eyeliner. Plus, it's way cheaper than those fancy removers that burn your eyes but somehow still leave traces of mascara behind. Hack number 9, treating acne with castor oil. Acne is the worst uninvited guest. It shows up at the most inconvenient times and refuses to leave. While slathering oil on acne sounds like a bad idea, castor oil is different. It contains ricinoleic acid, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for reducing breakouts without drying out your skin. Before bed, cleanse your face and apply a small amount of castor oil to acne-prone areas using a cotton swab. Let it sit overnight so it can work its magic while you sleep. By morning, you'll notice reduced redness and inflammation. Used consistently, castor oil can help prevent new breakouts while healing old scars. Just don't go overboard. Too much oil can clog pores. Moderation is key, or you might wake up looking like you deep-fried your face. Stay patient and let nature take care of your skin. Hack number 10. Castor oil for eyebrow enhancement. Overplucked your brows back in the thin eyebrow era and still waiting for them to grow back? Castor oil is your brow rescue mission. It's packed with hair-strengthening nutrients that stimulate follicle growth, making your brows thicker, fuller, and more defined, without those weird eyebrow tattoos. Using it is easy. Dip a clean spoolie brush or cotton swab into cold-pressed castor oil and brush it over your brows before bed. Focus on sparse areas, but don't overdo it. You're growing eyebrows, not trying to turn into a werewolf. With consistent use, you'll notice stronger, healthier brows in about a month. No more filling in your brows for 30 minutes every morning. Just natural, effortless beauty. Castor oil, because the early 2000s eyebrow mistakes don't have to be permanent. Hack number 11. Using castor oil for scalp health. If your scalp is dry, flaky, or just downright miserable, it's probably screaming for moisture. Castor oil not only hydrates but also clears dandruff, soothes itchiness, and nourishes the scalp for healthier, stronger hair growth. To use, warm 2 tablespoons of castor oil and massage it into your scalp using circular motions. This helps increase blood circulation and ensures the oil penetrates deeply. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a deep treatment, then shampoo thoroughly. Within a few weeks you'll notice a healthier scalp, fewer flakes, and stronger hair growth. Just be warned, castor oil is thick. If you use too much, you might spend more time washing it out than you bargained for. But a little patience equals a happy, healthy scalp and less embarrassing flakes on your black shirt. Hack number 12. Castor oil for foot care. Cracked heels, dry, rough feet that could sand down a wooden table? Castor oil is here to fix that. This ultra-moisturizing oil softens rough skin, heals cracks, and restores smoothness to your feet. Before bed, slather a generous amount of castor oil on your heels and slip on a pair of socks to lock in the moisture. Overnight, the oil will work its magic, and by morning, your feet will feel baby soft. Do this a few times a week, and soon, you won't need to hide your feet in closed-toe shoes year-round. Plus, it's way cheaper than a pedicure, and no one has to judge your feet at the salon ever again. Hack number 13. DIY Castor Oil Hair Mask. For hair that's been through too many heat styling sessions, this DIY castor oil hair mask is like pressing reset. It deeply nourishes dry, brittle hair, restoring shine and strength in just one use. To make the mask, mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 egg yolk. Apply it from roots to ends, cover with a shower cap, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo as usual. Your hair will feel silkier, shinier, and full of life, without needing an expensive salon treatment. Do this once a week, and soon you'll have hair so healthy, people will start asking for your hair care secrets. Hack number 14. Castor oil as a natural cleanser. Yes, you can clean your face with oil. And no, it won't turn you into a walking grease ball. In fact, castor oil is one of the best natural cleansers you'll ever use. Thanks to its antibacterial properties and deep cleansing abilities, it melts away dirt, dissolves excess oil, and removes stubborn makeup, all while keeping your skin soft and hydrated. Unlike harsh face washes that leave your skin feeling tighter than your jeans after a big meal, castor oil balances oil production, making it perfect for all skin types, even oily and acne-prone skin. To use, massage a few drops of castor oil onto dry skin for about 1 minute. Let it break down all the gunk, then wipe it off with a warm, damp washcloth. The result? Clean, glowing skin without the dryness. Say goodbye to those chemical-laden cleansers and hello to Mother Nature's best-kept skincare secret. Hack number 15. Castor oil for massage therapy. If your muscles feel as stiff as your morning coffee, castor oil might just be the massage oil you never knew you needed. Known for its deep penetrating and anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil doesn't just sit on the surface. It soaks deep into the muscles, relieving tension, soreness, and stiffness like a pro. It's basically a spa treatment in a bottle. minus the awkward small talk with a massage therapist. To use, warm up a few drops of castor oil in your hands and massage it into sore areas, neck, shoulders, lower back, wherever life's stress has settled. You'll feel the warmth and relaxation almost instantly, and as a bonus, your skin will be deeply moisturized in the process. Perfect for post-workout recovery or just unwinding after a long day, castor oil turns any ordinary massage into pure relaxation bliss. Who needs an expensive spa day when you have this? So there you have it. 15 insane castor oil beauty hacks that can transform your hair, skin and body with just a few drops of this ancient miracle oil. From growing longer lashes and thicker hair to hydrating dry skin, strengthening nails, and even relieving muscle tension, castor oil is truly a one-stop solution for all things beauty and wellness. And the best part? No expensive products, no chemicals, just pure natural goodness that has stood the test of time. Now, which of these hacks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps us spread the word. And if you love discovering life-changing natural remedies, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching Infinite Infotainment. Your next beauty secret awaits in the next video. Click now, and I'll see you there.